Hello everyone, this is Adarsh Purve, and today we are going to install C++ on our Windows machine and install a development environment using VS Code extensions. So first, let's install MinGW. So let's search MinGW setup.exe. Click on the first link. So this link, by the way, will be provided in the description. And now let's download the file and run it. All the links used in this video will be provided in the description. So let's install it. The installation directory, all the default commands. Seems like I've already installed it before, but let's reinstall it for the sake of this video. This will take some time. Okay, so now it's done. Let's continue. So in this section, we have to mark all the compilers we need. So for now, we will select all the default compilers like Fortran, G++, Objective-C, as we might need them in the future. So let's select all of these, mark for installation. Click on the installation tab and select apply changes. Sometimes this might take a while. Okay, so as it is installed on our computer, let's add the MinGW path to our environment variables so that our Windows terminal will be able to run the G++ and MinGW commands. So click or press your Windows key, search and edit environment variables. So here it is. Click on environment variables. God damn it. Click on path, system variables, path. So let's open it. It should be in your Windows C drive, MinGW, bin. So here it is. Copy that path and paste it here. Click on OK. So now it is added to our path. Now let's install the extensions. So first we will need C, C++, IntelliSense. Let's install it. So now it is installed. We will also need an extension called Code Runner. So let's install that too. Okay, so now it is installed. So I have written a simple C++ program to check whether it works. So let's run it. So this will ask how to run it. So I will select the first option. It will build. And just run code. Select. Okay. So now it prints hello world, which is exactly what it is meant to do. So This is how we install C++ on our Windows machine and also set up the development environment in VS Code. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Goodbye.